I'm going to teach you how to test and troubleshoot your n8n AI agent step by step. Let's start by making sure your workflow is actually running. Open your n8n workspace and locate the workflow where your AI agent is set up. Look at the top right corner for the green activation toggle. If it's not green, switch it on. An inactive workflow won't respond to messages, so this is the quickest win before you dive deeper. Next, send a quick test message through your chat trigger node. Open the chat trigger in your workflow and type something simple and unambiguous, like, "Hello AI, are you working?" or "What is today's date?" Keep an eye on the chat window. A clear, timely response tells you the agent is up and listening. If nothing comes back, don't worry, we'll use the logs in a moment to see what's happening under the hood. Now, check the agent node logs. Click on your AI agent node and open the execution log. This view shows each run, along with any errors or failed steps. Look for signals that inputs are arriving and being processed, and scan for red error markers or messages that say a step failed. The logs will tell you whether the AI evaluated your message, what it received, and where it might have stopped. Reading the first failing item usually points you straight to the cause. If your workflow includes a conversation memory node, verify that it's retaining context. In the same chat, provide a detail like, "My name is," your name, then follow up with, "What's my name?" If the agent answers correctly, your memory configuration is working. Be sure you're in the same session or thread, since memory is often scoped that way. If your AI agent uses external tools, such as model APIs, web scrapers, or other integrations, ask it to perform a tool-based action. For example, say, "Get today's weather using your tool." Compare the output with what you expect. A correct, well-formatted answer suggests the tool call is wired properly. If the response looks off or is missing data, check the logs for the tool step to confirm it was called and returned a result. Finally, evaluate the overall response quality. Are the answers accurate, relevant, and formatted in a way that fits your use case? If not, try adjusting the temperature or refining the system message instructions in the agent node. Lower temperature tends to produce more consistent, concise answers, while the system message sets tone and structure. Test again after each small tweak to see the effect. By following these checks, you'll quickly confirm that your n8n AI agent is active, responsive, remembering context, using tools correctly, and delivering high-quality answers.